In this video, we will learn how to parse a web page with PowerShell by using invoke web request. I will use Windows PowerShell ISE and can go over here to create a new script. Click on it, and now we can write our script. First time I'm going to set the URI variable to the page we want to request. I will use simple google.com, and I will call invoke a web request and get the page content and save in our request variable. We're calling invoke web request and pass in our URI with URI option, and I will pass in use basic parsing if IE is not configured correctly or IE is not installed. And after this, I'm just going to extract the link by calling links. This will print out our links and from this page. And I'm just going to execute this script now. Or you can click on this button, run script, and you can see over here at the bottom window that it extracted all the URLs that it found on google.com. So this is an easy way to use PowerShell to extract URLs from a web page. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.